Hey, good looking. What you got cooking?
Ooh, I got some iced matcha, and we are feasting tonight in PD Ed. One meal a day, that's right.
All
On a
right.
protective diet. So tonight we have the plant-based water bechamel on scalloped potatoes. Oh my gosh, my skinny scalloped potatoes. And Jerry's going to finish the pan.
Yes.
Look at this portion I put here. Yeah, right. I'm going to eat a row. Let's be clear. This is my row. I just want you guys to get a really good idea of how low-cal these fat freedom potatoes are. That's what I call them, instead of fat-free. Because we cut the fat falls off of us and stays off of us for years. And one meal a day, we eat all 3 meals in one sitting. So we walk away like really satisfied. And we only produce insulin once a day. Those are Jerry's. He will take care of them. He went running today.
I did.
He had a personal record
you
today.
Set a PR in the mile.
7-minute mile.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, Jerry.
Yeah.
And he ran how many?
5K. Oh, a total of a 10K.
10K today, and it was like
85 degrees.
How many minutes did you do it in? It was fast.
55, I think,
your
was the whole run.
3K was a personal record.
5K was a personal record. Right.
Cooper's losing his mind.
10K was...
I have to give him a carrot. He doesn't like the balsamic dressing. Oil-free, of course, but he's not that... Well, he probably would eat anything. Okay, so I want to show you what we have here for dinner. Besides Jerry's skinny scalloped potatoes, Jerry brought popcorn to the party.
Sure did.
Thanks, Jerry. So this is the way we do it.
It wouldn't be a party without
no
popcorn.
Butter, no coconut oil. Coconut oil stores right in the places you don't want it to. Don't be sold on the marketing of all of these healthy fats. It's BS. Trust me, I was a fat vegan.
You guys know
about
oil.
My history. I struggled. No one wanted to go vegan. No one that knew me, because they're like, we don't want to be fat like you. It was because I was getting into the healthy fats and the sugar, of course. The healthy sugar, all these alternative sugars, they're baloney. So first what we do is we give it a good mist of water. And everyone's like, oh, isn't it going to get soggy? I'm like, not really. This is a fine mister. And how soggy was my popcorn when I put the movie theater butter on it, or the butter growing up in the 70s in our air popper. That stuff used to make me
so sick.
So this is air pop, salted and sprayed. Sometimes I spray it with apple cider vinegar. Sometimes I put a little cracked black pepper. Sometimes I put my fermented hot sauce, probiotic pepper sauce. Actually, this one isn't fermented. This is a new hot sauce I'm going to introduce this summer for the people that are ferment fearing, or you're just like not interested in doing the kitchen crafts with me. That's okay. They're there when you're ready. And if you never are, I'm always keeping you in mind so that we have something everybody loves. So then with this popcorn...
Did you salt it yet?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
You can put some more, though. Our diet is so low fat that this little bit of salt we're putting on here and there, it's nothing compared to eating at a restaurant one meal. This is all our meals. Oh my gosh. Delicious. I'm so excited. Every night it's like, thank God I fasted. I always say TGIF.
Yes.
It feels like Friday night, but it really means thank God I fasted, because the dopamine that we produce before the first bite is where it's at. The excitement, the high. We're burning our body fat all afternoon long to where we're high energy. We're feeling fantastic.
And those PRs that I set, not only at 85 degrees, but it was also fasted.
Fasted. We have one meal at sundown. So here we have, this is the craveable cabbage recipe for all of you that are part of Protective Diet Education Programming and you're following along. The craveable cabbage with carrots, cabbage, apples. I have added fermented red onions, pickled onions, red bell pepper, julienne carrots, and broccoli sprouts and alfalfa sprouts that I have up there. I chop them and add them. You don't even know that they just disappear in the salad, and then they boost your sulforaphane and your chlorophyll protection. Super cancer protective salad there. And also the sauce, the water bechamel, super cancer protective, heart cardio protective, everything. We got it all covered. And then what are we talking about here? This is all our freezer staples this time of year. The trees aren't producing fruit yet, just citrus. Oh yeah, that's here. Citrus zest of 1 orange, a car orange went on our salad, and 1 blood orange split between Jerry and my Yogi Bowl. We have freezer fruit here, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, frozen pomegranate orills that Jerry shucked.
Oh, shucks.
Oh, shucks. Oh, I'm so thrilled opening my freezer and finding containers of these that he diligently did this while I prepared our dinners every night. He was cleaning a few pomegranates from our friend April's tree and apricots from Jenny's tree next door. And then we have Jerry's plant-based yogurt made of 100% organic soybeans, and that's how we do this. This is what we call a yogi bowl on a protective diet.
The zest is so exciting to me.
That's our dessert right there. Tonight anyway. We've got a lot of bakery items that I love to make too, but this time of year I've been really busy with my plant starts and other things going on. We're doing a big cleanup of the yard and the garden. It got nice and warm here finally, and
I will probably also have a banana.
Oh yeah, Jerry will have a banana. And sometimes if he's still hungry after this, I make the lemon whip, which is banana and a whole lemon zest and everything, or the frosty scoops.
I'm hungry after this.
So you might be like, when do you eat popcorn if you don't snack? And we always plate everything up before we sit down because we want our feast to be within a 1 hour window, which it's usually shy of that. I don't eat for an continuous hour when everything's plated up. And then I'm maximizing the time that I'm not producing insulin, that I'm fasted to boost my mitochondria.
There you go.
That is basically the powerhouse of my cells to protect me and boost cellular recycling, or known as the formal name, autophagy, cellular cleanup, to keep us young, thinking clearly, cleans up any damaged cells in our brain, any dying age cells, so that we can connect our thoughts. So we're not searching for words as we mature. So I put the salted popcorn on top of my salad. And if you know me, you know my chopstick obsession. And then I just go in there and I eat my salad and my popcorn, croutons. And then after we get down a layer of popcorn,
we salt it again.
So that's how we do it. If we're going to a movie or we're bringing popcorn with us, I take the popcorn and I lay it all out on a baking sheet or on a towel, and I salt it and let it dry, and then I put it back in the bag. Just a tip for those of you getting started air popping organic corn. I'll put a link in the comments below and in the description on this video to share where I get my organic popcorn. Azure. Thank you.
Standard.
We love them. Pretty much everything came from Azure. The potatoes, the cabbage, the onions, the herbs came from my garden. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Oh, the oranges. All the citrus comes from Azure that we eat. In the winter, we're very reliant on them. And
the pomegranates and apricots came from the garden.
They're local. And blueberries and strawberries, organics from Costco. So
easy peasy.
Yeah, it's simple food and
satiating and delicious. It's good stuff.
It's so protective. Check out protectivediet.com and get some broth mix in your pantry. Get started with those free broth mix recipes. It's under the broth mix. Just click on the front page of Protective Diet. You'll see the broth. If you haven't tried it yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. These are functional protective foods. Take care.
And best of health, it's time to eat.
Yummo. By the way, these are 5 pounds of potatoes in this recipe. So what did I take there for myself? 1.5 pounds, and Jerry gets the rest.